Hello friends. How are you? Today we will learn some expressions that start with I wanna plus V1. Wanna means want to. Let's start then.
I wanna play with you.
I wanna say you something.
I wanna stay here today.
I wanna take a nap for some time.
I wanna come here again.
I wanna take your book.
I wanna buy some fruits.
I wanna go home early.
I wanna write a story.
I wanna help you.
I wanna go to my uncle's home.
I wanna get a car.
I wanna eat pizza.
I wanna open a shop.
I wanna discuss about this with my parents.
I wanna enjoy the vacation. Now we are going to learn some common expressions that start with I gotta. Gotta means got to. Let's start. I gotta live in a small house.
I gotta organize the party.
I gotta stop them working here.
I gotta attend his classes.
I gotta finish it now.
I gotta call my father.
I gotta be early in the office.
I gotta move to a bigger house.
I gotta obey the laws.
I gotta manage the money.
I gotta study harder this time.
I gotta lend him money.
I gotta leave the place.
I gotta give him the keys.
I gotta listen to her for 2 hours.
I gotta praise her after reading her stories.
I gotta give her the job after listening to her answers. Now we will learn to make sentences using I would like to plus V1.
I would like to answer the question.
I would like to become a doctor.
I would like to learn about animals.
I would like to meet the president.
I would like to participate in this competition.
I would like to invite my college friends.
I would like to see you again.
I would like to thank him for everything.
I would like to attend some demo classes.
I would like to call my parents.
I would like to sing that song.
I would like to learn swimming.
I would like to inform you about the test.
I would like to meet her now.
I would like to go home by walk.
I would like to take care of myself.
I would like to eat sweets first.
I would like to have a look on the files before going home.
I would like to invite them on my birthday.
Now we are going to learn some sentences that start with I plan to plus V1.
I plan to find a new job.
I plan to surprise my best friend.
I plan to buy a new car.
I plan to go abroad for a better life.
I plan to clean the garden.
I plan to watch a movie with you.
I plan to learn something new.
I plan to go to Kashmir.
I plan to build a new house.
I plan to go for a long drive.
I plan to relax on vacation.
I plan to visit my grandmother on Monday.
I plan to paint my house before Diwali.
I plan to go to the dentist in the evening.
I plan to help others.
I plan to leave for village in 3 to 4 days.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you are learning all the expressions and speaking better. Be happy, stay healthy, make merry. Bye for now.